Good morning, boys and girls. Today is April 7th. It is Tuesday. I hope you have a great day of learning. In the morning, for literacy, sixes, you are going to be very busy with poetry. Sevens, you are going to be working on some writing assignment on your biography of Gabriela Mistral. You also will have some A to Z and a few other things to do for reading. As far as math goes, sixes, you are going to be working on tally marks, and sevens, you are going to be working on 2D shapes. I have also taken some old enrichment or extra work for literacy and math and put them up in resources. They are extra things that you can do during the day if you find yourself not too busy and you want to push yourself a little bit more. So they will be up in resources now, easier to find. And also I opened up something in under resources for science, which have a lot of really cool facts that I think you'll like under resources. So friends, have a great day of learning, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye.